Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So this is my YouTube channel videos, and you could see in the down it is showing like this. How many pages, how many videos per page, 30 videos per page, and about 31 to 60, about 567. 573 videos. Okay, if I click on next, it will show another 30 videos in the next page. Similarly, if I click on next, it will show another 30 results in the next page. Okay, this concept of showing results in a page is called pagination. Okay, and this pagination is a very important concept. Why not, we can get all the results in a single page. Let's say like you are querying on a database some select query, and you have something like 10 lakhs records. Okay, and is it recommended to send you 10 lakh records from server to the client, because the server is going to handle some millions of requests parallelly, right? So just processing that 10 lakhs and give it to you is a huge burden. At the same time, there will be so many requests will be there. At the same time, in the client side as well, do you need that many records? No, right? So this slicing of the results and sending it back in a page wise is called pagination, and we are going to see that in today's demo. Okay, so I have this controller which I have already set up with a post call. Okay, that means we are going to add the data into the table called student table. This is my student table, and I have a post call where we are selecting. You can ignore the get call as of now because I am going to develop it from the scratch. Okay, so let's get started here. Do I need anything here in order to add a pagination? No, because as part of the JPA repository only, you could see here it is already implementing this pagination and sorting repos. Okay, you could see here it is already implementing all these items, right? Simply you need this one, pageable object. Okay, so in order to do that, let's get started with a service package called service. Okay, because I already have the controller and the repo. If you need more on this, I suggest you to go for this playlist, because here we are connecting to the database and we are developing that post call here, and I'm going to add that video into this playlist so that it is very easy for you as well. Okay, so yeah, I have created a service here, and let me create a like student results service. Okay, and let me mark this as service. Okay, okay, and if you go to this here, you could see how many pages you want, and the page number as well, right? So how many results in a page you want and the page number, right? So that I will create a input here. Let's say like input dt. Oh, anything is fine, but ensure you are using a meaningful name. Okay, here let me create all args constructor, no args constructor, and the setter and the getter. These items are coming from Lombok. I recommend you guys to use the Lombok here. Let's say private integer. How many results? First of all, page number will take. Okay, page number. Okay, and how many results in a page number? That is also integer, right? So let's say like uh, size should be sufficient. Okay, now here what we need to do is we need to create our uh, from here we need to create our pageable object. Okay, this is very important, guys. So let me create something like let's as of now put this void get pageable. Okay, pageable should come from integer. Do I need? No, already have it at class level, right? so I can simply use that. Okay, so here uh, I have page request dot of. Now you could see page number and page size. Okay, that method I'm going to use. In order to use that, what I do is, let me take one more integer, something like page num. Okay, and here uh, I will take this guy as an input DTO. Okay, so here I will use if DTO dot page number. Okay, if this is null. Okay, how do I check? How do I check here? Simply page number, right? So this is a function. Okay, how do I check? With the help of objects dot non-null. Okay, if this guy is not null, then simply take this here, else you can use page number. Page number, as of now there is no initial value, right? Let me create 0. Okay, here I have the getter and the setter. Oh, sorry, here it should be get page number. Yes, so that means what I am doing, I am simply taking the page number from your input bin. Okay, and if that is not, if that is null, then I am taking the initial value here. Similarly, I can do it for the page size as well. So let me just copy paste and put it here. Okay, something like page size, and here get size, and here as well get size, and this is size. And what is the initial value of the size? I want to display 5 records in a given page. That is what I am doing. Okay, now here I am going to use this page number, page num, comma, page size. Okay, and this is my pageable object, so I can simply use it here. Okay, pageable, pageable. Okay, pageable, sorry, pageable of input DTO. Just a minute. This pageable. Okay, pageable. Where from it is coming from? It is coming from data domain pageable. Okay, so let's pageable. Yeah, pageable. Yes, this guy. Okay, huh. So this is nothing but my pageable object. Okay, now I have this pageable. Now I simply need to use it. Okay, as part of my uh, my controller or anywhere else. Okay, so simply I'll create one endpoint in student controller first, then we will see. Okay, so let me take getter here. Sorry, let me take get mapping, and here get student by pages. Okay, here public page of student information. Okay, from get student by page, and here as part of request body, what I can do is my input DTO, right? Input DTO as DTO. Okay, then page, yes, this is my page object. Okay, then I have my repo already have here, right? So for this repo, what I need to do here, in my repo, I already have the sort thing, right? I simply needs to call this guy. Okay, if I can call this guy, I can get the results directly, right? So what I need to do, that means in order to call, I need to get this pageable object, right? This pageable object is nothing but this pageable only, right? That means I already have it, simply I need to use it, right? So from my DTO I can get uh, okay, I need to increase this to public. Then here DTO dot get pageable from DTO. Okay, okay, I already have this pageable, right? So I can simply use it here, pageable. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to call this method. Since I already have this pageable, where is that? I can simply use this guy, find all, right? So in order to do that, what I need to do, I need a repo which is here, student repo dot find all of pageable. Pageable is nothing but here, that's it. Okay, this is going to return me the page. Okay, this guy, it is going to return me. If you want list of student, simply you can do that as well. Let me show that. Page of student is equal to student pages. Okay, then from student pages you can use get content method will be there, which is going to return me the list of students. Okay, that also you can do, or you can simply return this page, this page directly. Since my method is page, so I can use that and I can simply return this guy. Okay, this should be sufficient, guys. Okay, now let me go and run the application and see what I can do. Okay, so let me run this application. It is started executing. In the meantime, let me set up my postman. Since it is using the H2 database here, I need to manually insert the data. I am using this H2 database, and if you want to see how to connect and all, you can refer the same playlist where I have prepared how to connect to the database, how to insert all those things. Okay, so you can simply refer to this playlist. Now here where my application is running here. Sorry, wait a minute. Where is my application running? I'm getting confused. Not this guy. Yeah, this guy. Okay. And where is my application? Application is still, building state only. It should start now. Yes, it is started. Now I need to set my items. Okay, this is my post call, guys. Let me show you that as well. It is started executing. Now you could see H2 console is here and at port 9011. Cool. Okay. If I go to my control, here I have the add method with the student data. Okay. So in my post, add student, and here the student data. Okay. And what is the student data it is having? It is having name, ID, address, and hobby. This ID is a auto generated, so we can leave it as of now, and let's focus on building this data. Name, location, hobby. Okay, now you could see I think it's still executing, it seems. Is it still executing? It should start now. Oh, sorry. The port number is 9011. Now you could see one item is there. Let's see whether that item got added or not. So simply use 9011 slash h2 hyphen console. Okay, the password is password. Now you could see this is the student information I have, and if I run it, now you could see I have this guy. Okay, and let me add another item like Karthik, and address, not location here. Address is this, and let me add one more like Rama, badminton, caroms I can add, and let me add one more, Lakshmi, Chennai. I'm just trying to build the data, guys, so that it would be easy for you guys to show, cricket, Arun, Bangalore. Okay, if I show this, I have the 5 records. Okay, let me add 2 more. Okay, Anvesh, USA, cricket, Pradeep, Canada, cricket. Now you could see I have the 7 records. Okay, our building of data is completed. Since it is a in memory, right? We need to load it every time. If it is normal DB like other RDBMS DBs, you directly fetch it. Okay, so if I go to my student controller and show you student, this is my get mapping, right? So here 9011 get mapping. Okay, and in the body you could see here it input DTO, what is the page number and size, okay. Totally I have 7 records, and here I'm saying like send me 0th index page, that means first page, and 5 records in that. Okay, if I click on send, now you could see in content I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 we have. Okay. And if you see, this is a pageable object. Page size is 5, which we have given here. Sort is not applied, so sort is false as of now. And you could see total elements are 7. Okay. Out of 7, we are only displaying 5. And it is trying to tell you how many pages are there. 2 pages are there. We have only used 1. If I go to the next one with page index incremented by 1, I should get 2 records, 6 and 7. Okay, and now you could see page number, other details, we got it. Is it a first? No. Number of elements in this page are 2. Okay, if I give something like 8 as page size, what should I get? I should get here something like this. Now you could see, uh, one second, page size, sorry, it should be size. If I give size, yeah, now 8, I should get all the records here. Page size is 8. Now you could see 7 records, we got it in a single entry. Okay, so you can manually change the size directly. If I give I have the 7 records and I'm saying Springboot, show me 8 records. So all the 7 records accommodated in a single page. If I ask for next page, what should I get? I should get empty results, right? Because all of them are accommodated in a single page itself. So this is the advantage, guys, of using pageable. You don't get the results everything in a single response. Instead you will get it one by one. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. The only hard thing here is this pageable object, but that's okay, fine.